Okay. Do you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's listen to it first.
Von Christi bis kennen, ihr sollt
Can't
sein
hear it.
in a heißer Sommernacht. Vom Brumstreet und Hecher, bei Nacht auf die Dächer, es lebt sich, es reut sich a Pracht. Betanzt von Christi bis
Okay.
kennen, ihr sollt sein die Sennen in a heißer Sommernacht.
That's what I can do. Mariv, can you do better? Mariv?
Yeah, you want me to play it?
Yeah, if you can, because
Okay.
that's 100%. I cannot go any higher.
Okay.
Some of the songs are like this. What can I do?
Yeah, especially Solomon Motek. I think he's often.
Yeah, some
very
of the
low.
recordings are like this. So
Oh, it sounds decent for here. Okay, hold on.
okay.
Good afternoon. Today's program is going to be Yiddish vaudeville songs, starting with this one written by Louis Gilrod around the turn of the century, last century. Von Christi bis kennen, ihr sollt sein die Sennen in a heißer Sommernacht. Vom Brumstreet und Hecher, bei Nacht auf die Dächer, es lebt sich, es reut sich a Pracht. Mit tanzt und mit kuscht sich, mit schwitzt und mit wischt sich, mit trinkt Sodawasser, a Sach. Für Boys und Mäden ist a wahrer Ganeden, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, das ist a goldene Zeit. Wenn läuft von dir umkehrst die Lächer, wenn wird wie von Prisen befreit. Alles kommt nicht kein Police-Leid, dort mag mit ton jede Sach. Ihr könnt stets nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf dem Dach. Dort dahin kommen nicht kein Police-Leid, dort mag man ton jede Sach. Ihr könnt stets nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf dem Dach. Käum sich dir Kalles mit allerlei Meiles, dann sollt ihr nicht trachten, Gossach. Frag nicht kein Eizes, nehmt der Fies auf der Plätzes und marscht bald auf der Dach. Ihr werdet schon der Tappen am Meut wie a Lappen, kleppen wird sie schon zu euch. Sie lässt sich a Chaptin, a Kisch und a Glättin, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, das ist a goldene Zeit. Wenn läuft von dir umkehrst die Lächer, wenn wird wie von Twisse befreit. Dort kommen nicht kein Police-Leid, dort mag man ton jede Sach. Ihr könnt stets nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. Here's a song made famous by Aaron Lebedev called Hudel mitten Strudel.
Oh, that's another one. Okay. That's a different song, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop!
You've got the power. Okay.
Minna, you're muted. Minna, you're muted.
Okay, I'm trying to show you the whole thing and it doesn't let me.
The which?
Okay, I was trying to show it to you without the slides on the side. What do you see?
We see the slides on the side.
You
Is it
see
in?
the slides on the side. So,
It's okay.
It's still
okay.
it's big enough. We can see it.
No, that's okay. I found
Oh,
out.
That's
there
good.
you
Yeah,
go.
it's you
There
got to
you
put it in
go.
presentation mode.
Got how to do it. I got how to do it. Mariv, can you read the English?
Some of you may remember a time when apartment dwellers used to sit or sleep on their fire escapes or roofs in the summer to get away from their crowded, unair-conditioned homes. Or you may be young enough to remember the Drifters singing up on the roof in 1967. If not, be aware that this was and maybe still is an honored tradition going back to the era of the tenements. Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, Summer Nights on the Roofs, was a popular song in those golden years of the tenements.
Go on.
Salman Motek, the son of the singers and musicologists Chana and Yosel Motek, directs the National Yiddish Theater Folkspiel, and he offers weekly living room concerts online at which he plays the piano in his living room and sings Yiddish songs, some of them well known, others lost to oblivion.
Go on.
There were many versions of Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer. The music is that of a popular American song of the time on a good old trolley ride. YouTube has a recording by Frank Seiden from 1905. Eleanor Ricia made a recording that is for sale on the internet. Here, Zalman Motek sings a version of Louis Gilrod. Gilrod worked with others to adapt Tin Pan Alley songs into Yiddish. He also collaborated with Joseph Rumshinsky on the smash hit Yiddish musical Die Goldene Kala, The Golden Bride, at the Second Avenue Theater in 1923. The Folkspiel revived Die Goldene Kala a few years ago. Wow.
It was really nice. I saw it. I think Maurice too. Yes,
Yeah, it was
Maurice.
great.
It was really great. Okay, finish it, Mariv.
Note that Christie, Broome, and Cannon, mentioned in the first two lines, were streets on the Lower East Side.
They still are.
I never heard of Cannon. I heard of Christie and Broome. Never heard of. I have no idea where it is. Anybody else heard of it?
Lower East
Neither have
Side.
I. No.
As in other songs from this period that we have listened to, there are a number of Yinglish words in the song. How many can you spot?
Okay, let's see. Okay. So let's start reading it. Okay, Elaine.
Von Christi bis Cannon, ihr sollt sehen, die Sennen in a heiße Sommernacht von von Broom Street und Hecher bei Nacht auf die Dächer. Es lebt sich, es rächt sich a Pracht. Okay, so from Christie to Cannon, you see the scenes in a hot summer night. From Broome Street and higher at night on the roofs, we live.
It's lively.
Lively.
Oh, it's lively. It's lively, and it's reshzik. Let's see, it's lively, and it's magnificent.
It's
It's
noisy.
what's resht? Resht.
It's noisy. I don't know.
Well, a
Maurice,
pracht is
I'm not sure as recht. I think
oh,
it
makes
means,
a fuss.
I think it
Well,
means,
they make a fuss over the beauty of the night.
okay.
Okay.
Beauty.
The foil is back, so please, the foil.
I need help with this
Please.
technology. I don't.
Yay, Rafael.
You come to save us.
Hey, Marie, I need some help here. I
Just
don't,
a moment, Bonnie, just a moment. Rafael
okay,
was
I
going
just don't see the screen, what you're reading.
I don't know. Other people see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Marie, what do I hit here? I tried everything.
I have no idea.
Do you only see all the people?
Yeah,
Because
I,
up at top it says Minagrower screen. It says meeting where you see all the people, and then next to it at the top it says Minagrower screen. You want to be on that.
no, I don't see it. I'm going to
Okay.
go out and come in again. I mean,
Reboot.
wait, meeting questions.
Okay, so let's do it quietly. Rafael, please.
Yeah, it's not reshed, it's rashed. It's the Hebrew rash.
Oh, noise. Magnificent noise.
Es rasht sich. It makes a noise.
Mm,
Okay.
okay, thanks. Good.
Okay. Ja. Mir tanzt und mir kuscht sich. Mir schwitzt und mir wischt sich. Mir trinkt Soda-Wasser a Sach. For boys und Maiden
Yeah.
is a wahrer Gan Eden Zummer Banacht auf Adach. Okay, so we dance and we kiss each other and we sweat and we wished.
Wipe.
You have to
We
wipe
sweat.
off
We
the
wipe
sweat.
each other. We wipe ourselves. We wipe ourselves. We sweat and we wipe. We drink soda water a lot. For boys and girls, it's a real Gan Eden. It's a true Gan Eden summer at night on the roof.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
How many of you knew that that's what Gan Eden looks like?
We used to call it Tar Beach.
Tar Beach.
That's a
No, you didn't
great.
call it Gan Eden?
No, we called it Tar Beach.
Got it.
Okay, Brenda. Brenda.
Kannst du hören mir?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Zoemen bij nacht auf die Dache.
Decha.
Das is a goldene Zeit. Summer by night on the roof. It is a golden time. Men läuft von die Rumkes, die leggen me werd wie von prison befreit. So we run from the rumors,
The little rooms.
Rooms.
rumors,
The little
the
rooms.
holes. We no, like from prison, freeing from prison.
Freed, right. It's as if we were
Okay.
freed from prison.
Okay. Ahin kommen nicht kein police light. Dort megmen tun jede Sach. So here, the policemen don't come there. Possibly we can do anything we want.
No, Megman, we're allowed to
We're allowed to do anything we want.
because the cops don't go up there.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Cookie. Can you read, Cookie?
I'm gonna try. Hat kein Schnitt.
Shanes.
No.
Scheinsschnitt.
Yeah.
Scheinsschnitt gesehen. Ob ihr nicht gewinnt. Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. I want to explain it because I won't go back to remember to explain it. Saints wasn't, if it wasn't for these summer nights.
No,
Am I right?
Hat kein Scheins nicht gesehen. You have never seen anything
Such
beautiful.
beauty. Yeah. If it weren't for these summer nights,
If you
by
haven't,
now, if you haven't had these summer nights, by
if
now,
you haven't been
the roof,
on summer nights on the roof, you ain't seen nothing.
the roof. Thank
Can you go on, Cookie?
you. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Ahin still lit police light. Dort meg men tun jede Sach. Oh, there the police don't come, you can do whatever you want. You mean
Right.
they could have sex on the roof?
You could.
You
If
got
you
it.
want, if
I'm
you
sure they
want,
did.
if you want, and your limbs allow it, okay. So,
It hat kein Scheins
Uh-huh.
nicht, denn ob ihr set
Oh, ihr seid nicht.
there is a problem with your microphone.
Ba nach seid
Auf a dach.
So, Cookie, there is a problem with your...
You haven't seen. I got plenty of problems. What's another one?
Yeah, the microphone, that's a problem. So please, Maurice, can you
Sure.
read the last two?
Ihr hat kein Scheins nicht gesehen. You haven't seen anything beautiful. Oib, ihr seid nicht gewesen. If you haven't been at night, on a summer night, up on the roof.
Okay, sorry, Cookie, but you had a problem with your microphone, and we heard only, every second word. So sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't feel it.
Yeah, but that's what we are. So,
Okay.
Susan Nyman, can you read?
I think I'll pass.
You will pass? Okay, that's not a problem. That's fine. Vinkl, go on.
Koim sucht ihr Verkala mit allerlei Males. Dann sollt ihr nicht trachten kein Sach. If you're looking for a wife with all of the accomplishments, then you shouldn't.
Don't think too much.
Oh.
Think too much.
Toughness to think. Don't think about it too much.
All right, don't think about it too much. Fregnik kein Eitzes, don't ask any advice. Nehmt de Fies auf die Plätzes, pick up your feet onto your shoulders. In other words, run fast.
Run, right.
Un marsch bald arois auf a Dach, and get yourself up on the roof fast.
Right.
Okay. Thank you, Vinkl. I see two people raise their hand, Rafael and then Elaine.
Yeah, I'd just like to point out the use of the word ver in the first line, fourth word. It's a little unusual, but I would translate that as if any of you is looking for brides. Ob wer von euch sucht Kalas. It's in a strange position, but I think that's how it has to be understood.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
That's right.
Hey, Elaine?
Yeah, what is the word coim? Coim.
Barely.
Barely, because barely.
Coin or kind?
Coin.
No. Coin. Barely. Barely.
So
you don't have to spend too much time looking for someone with all the charms. Just go up on the roof.
Okay, but given what Rafael just told us about, if any of you will, how does coim fit into that definition?
It means you don't have to spend too much time, looking for the right woman. Coim, you're barely looking for one. All you have to do is go up on the roof and you can take your pick.
Okay.
Kalas is Merzel, yeah?
What?
Kalas.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Nicht
Joseph,
ein Kala, aber Kalas.
Kalas, right.
Palace, plural. Joseph, welcome to our group. It's the first time that I see you here, so welcome. And can you read Yiddish? Can I let you read?
A bissel, yes.
A bissel. So, read. Line.
Wird schon der Tappen am Moid, wie a Lappen. Kleppen wird sie schon zu euch. Sie los sich a Chapton, a Kusch und a Gletton, Sommer bei Nacht euch gedacht.
Good.
Nice.
Very good.
So, can you translate it?
So you must take a girl, the Trappen, but how?
So you'll find a girl. The top like a blind person finds some,
Find a girl on the lap.
No, I think a lappen,
Is
I don't remember exactly what it meant. No.
But I think it's like to sort of catch a girl or get a girl. The topping is like to touch.
Right, but the lappen, I don't remember literally.
It says milkmaid.
So lappen is not lapin, right? It's not French.
No, I don't remember what it means.
A lappen is an oven mitt.
Milkmaid.
Yeah,
but it doesn't make sense here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Milkmaid?
A
That
girl
makes sense.
like Lapin.
Milkmaid.
Via, right?
Yeah.
Like
Is that from the word
Okay,
pause, like labus?
one at a time, please. Bob.
Sorry.
Yeah, the definition in the dictionary was milkmaid.
Milkmaid.
And so it's like a rough, tough, like a earthy girl. You'll find an earthy kind of girl.
Okay.
Steve.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm remembering this correctly or not. Lapis is like pause.
Lapis is pause.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wonder if you catch it, you'll catch a girl in your paws.
Yeah,
Oven mitt kind of thing.
A moid v a lappen, a girl like I think a milkmaid. They must have had some sort of vision of what a milkmaid was like. I don't know. These are city people. I don't know.
Just a moment. Der Tappen is not to, how do you say?
Catch.
To catch.
Not only catch. It's not only catch. It's to
find something.
To hold and to caress.
Fondle.
To fondle. That's the word. To fondle.
Yeah,
that's what I think. Yeah, that's what I think. But to fondle a girl like what?
Call on Karen. Call on Karen. She's probably looking at
Karen.
Yeah,
Like
to me this makes sense.
The farmer's daughter.
Fondle,
The farmer's daughter. Right.
A lappen. A lappen is like a mitt that you put on your hands.
No, it's a late lapping off, man. Don't like.
Okay, I said Karen. Karen.
Yes, there's another definition for lappen as a verb. It means to grab or snatch.
Okay.
So it may be that verb has been turned into a noun.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe.
Or she's a catch. What about you'll find a girl who's a catch?
Could be. Could be.
A real catch, a real find, a real.
When we watched the singer Zalman Motek, they translated as the milkmaid. So
Oh, okay. That's it. Zalman is kind of Yussel's son. He must know what he's talking about.
Maybe a milkmaid was considered a catch.
Maybe.
Yeah, I've got another possibility. I don't know which of these is right, but a lappen or a lapene can be a heavy wash rag. And so if you want to grab a woman who is like a wash rag, who sticks to you, and that's a possibility. I don't know what it is actually.
She's readily available. She's at your doorstep.
And we have to consider this is happening on the roof. So, likely you're going to find the milkmaid up there.
Okay, Steve and then Karen. Steve.
So the next one is Kleppen, was sie schon so ein Eich?
No, Joseph, just a moment, because some other people raised their hand. We will get back to you. So Steve and then Karen. Steve.
No, I just think, I think the phrase is like that, you're referring to a moid. And a moid is a woman of experience, let's say, like an Altamoid, is so you'll grab up on the roof. You'll meet somebody who you can grab, a woman with some knowledge, let's say.
Of being grabbed, the knowledge of being grabbed.
That means only loose girls went up on the roof.
Yeah, there's an
Okay,
underlying
Karen.
sexuality.
Karen.
And single maid wouldn't go on the roof.
Karen, please.
Just one more definition. Lap, not lappen. Lap means earlobe.
Okay, Barbara, I see that we are getting a lot of
Yeah.
excitement here. Barbara,
Okay,
and then Morty
so-
and Bob. Barbara.
So here's another interpretation. Der Toppen means to feel out. And so maybe it means that you will feel out a maid just with a paw, like you would with a paw. So that's another idea.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
there's an underlying sexual tone
Yes.
there.
Morty.
I mean, the
Yes,
milkmaid is
I just
also
wanted to
feeling
make
out with her paws, the udders of the cow that she's milking. So,
Morty.
Yes, I just wanted to mention regarding the word moit. It's not necessarily used in a deprecative way, because we say an altemoid when we refer to a girl that is over the age of marriage, generally. But much more common is, for example, the word akalemoid. So it doesn't necessarily mean somebody with experience.
Sure.
It just
So
means
what's
it's
a
like
calamoid?
She's got to be older than a maidel. A moid.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A young
Calamoid
woman.
is a bride.
But it doesn't mean that it's something,
Right.
bad
Not
or anything.
pejorative, right.
A moid is maybe a little more than a maidel, but that's it. And I've heard much more the use of calamoid referring to a
Morty,
young girl that is going
what
to
does calamoid mean?
Bride.
a girl that is going to have a wedding.
Oh.
A bride
A
to be.
bride.
A bride to be.
A bride.
A bride
Yeah, a
to
bride
be.
to be. Yes.
Some-
Okay, that's all I wanted to say.
Someone of marriageable age.
Yeah. Bob.
Yeah, it's just remarkable to me how much time we're able to spend on this little phrase.
Yes.
What's happening up on that roof?
You know, you can
I
write a
see.
PhD dissertation. The habits of immigrant
Finger's
Jews
monkey
up
business
on the
up
roof.
on the roof.
Okay. Let's continue. Joseph, please. Schleppel wird sie schon zu nahe. So please,
So,
what does
so
it mean?
you want to grab what she's giving you?
She'll hold on to.
She will hold on to you.
She'll hold on to you.
Hold on to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sie lässt sich achapton. She lets you pat her or touch her.
Touch her. Yeah.
A kiss und was ist a glit?
Caress.
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 A caress. Huh? Summer nights on the roof.
Right.
Thank you. And let's go away from there.
No, it's repeats. It repeats.
Yes. Okay, Ezra, please.
Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, das ist eine goldene Zeit. Man läuft von der Rumpkes, die Löcher, man wird wie von Tfische befreit. Hinkommen nicht kein Polizleit, dort mag man tun jeder Sach, hat kein Scheins nicht gesehen, ich seid nicht gewinn Sommer bei Nacht auf ein Dach.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very
you
good.
already stated it. Yes, so. Okay. Oh, that's a beautiful dach.
Yeah, I remember watching the July 4th fireworks on the roof.
Yes.
But not on a dock like that.
No.
Too
Anyway,
busy, right.
Beverly, yes, Beverly.
Yes, so even when my girls lived in New York, which is not immigrant times, they had parties on the roof.
Sure.
Yeah.
So, and the story goes with one of my kids, one
one of the kids had to go to the bathroom. So she says, okay, go down to my apartment number 10. The door is open. So the boy goes down. He sees a door open. He goes in, but it's not my daughter's apartment. This really happened. So the owner of that apartment comes in and finds him in the bathroom. You can imagine what happened after that.
The police light came.
Police light. She gave such a scream, the lady, and she was a terrible neighbor. She gave such a scream when she saw this kid. Oy vey. But they still did it then.
Sie hat geschrien, oi weh.
Oy vey, yo.
I did say oy vey.
Anyway, since when I am sharing it, you cannot listen. You cannot. So, Mariv, if you can share it again. So
all right,
maybe now we will pay more attention to what's going on the roof.
Yeah.
But my mother used to make me sleep on the fire escape, which is in the song. It is in the song. We used to sleep on the fire escape. It was cooler.
Right.
We had our own life out there.
Okay.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for this song.
Sure.
I love it.
Pleasure.
Uh-oh, what's going on? Oh, I muted it.
Starting with this one written by Louis Gilrod around the turn of the century, last century. Von Christi bis kennen, ihr sollt sehen die Szenen in a heißer Sommernacht. Vom Brumstreet und Hecher, bei Nacht auf die Dächer, es lebt sich, es reut sich a Pracht. Man tanzt und man kuscht sich, man schwitzt und man wischt sich, man trinkt Sodawasser, a Sach. Für Boys und Mäden ist a wahrer Ganeden, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, das ist a goldene Zeit. Man läuft von dich käst die Lächer, man wird wie von Prisen befreit. Alles kommt nicht kein Police-Light, dort mag man tun jede Sach. Ihr kann Schätz nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf dem Dach. Dort dahin kommen nicht kein Police-Light, dort mag man tun jede Sach. Ihr könnt Schätz nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf dem Dach. Kaum sich dir Kalles mit allerlei Meiles, dann sollt ihr nicht trachten, Gossach. Frag nicht kein Heizes, nehmt der Fies auf die Plätzes und marsch bald auf der Dach. Ihr werdet schon der Tappen am Meut wie a Lappen, kleppen wird sie schon zu euch. Sie lässt sich a Chaptin, a Kisch und a Glättin, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach. Sommer bei Nacht auf die Dächer, das ist a goldene Zeit. Man läuft von dir käst die Lächer, man wird wie von Twisse befreit. Dort kommen nicht kein Police-Light, dort mag man tun jede Sach. Ihr könnt Schätz nicht gesehen, ob ihr seid nicht gewähnt, Sommer bei Nacht auf a Dach.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Okay, so yes, Rafael. Yeah.
Got one minor thing. It's the Volksbühne, not Volksbühne, but Volksbühne. Bühne, of course, means stage, so it's the folk stage. That's the name of the group, Volksbühne.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Morty.
I don't know if you noticed a little thing. In the text that we were reading, there's a moment where it says Fisa, but in the singing, Motek said prison in English.
Once he says Fisa, the other time he says prison.
Right.
Okay. Any more comments or questions? Yes, Cookie, but you're muted. Unmute yourself, Cookie. Until Cookie unmutes herself, Beverly.
Oh, yes. Well, they were in the sweatshops all day. So then they felt free to go out at night upstairs because their apartments were holes in the wall. So this was their free time because they worked all day in the sweatshops.
Sure.
And also, it was free. They didn't have to pay.
It was free, yeah.
Cookie, you cannot unmute.
And I'm sending her ask to unmute signals, but she's not getting it.
Okay, so when you will manage, I will try to get you. Any more questions or comment before we move on to the story? It's a new story that we are starting today, sent to me by Morty. Thank you, Morty. And
You're
thank you,
welcome.
Michael Fishman, thank you. Because of you, the group has it in English and can read it easier. So thank everyone, Michael. So
Schönen Dank.
Schönen Dank.
Anyway, okay, sorry, Cookie. I see that you cannot unmute.
I think the morality police is interfering with her electronics.
I muted her before because you know, we couldn't, there was so gefeift, episode gefeift dort. So I muted her.
I have lost you completely. So I'm going to really start over again and join you again.
Okay, Henrietta, no problem. Okay, so join us again. So let's start with the story. So where are we? We are here, and the story is here. And you see it, yes?
Not yet.
Not yet. There it is.
There it goes.
It was time to make
Stop
it really.
right there. Stop. Okay.
Okay.
No, it was
So
perfect.
there's Schmeck Tabak. Michael Fishman, please.
Okay. Der Schmeck Tabak, the taste of tobacco, the sniffing of tobacco. In dem kleinen Städtel Konivika befinden sich 5 große Schulen. In the small village of Konivika, there are 5 synagogues. Nur die größte Rolle spielt dort der kleine Beis Midrash. But the greatest role is played by the small study house. Weil in ihm darf der städtischer erster Gewirr, because in this study house, the village's richest man prays, Rabbi Yaakov Sinkers, and that's his name.
So Michael, just a moment, Michael. Yes, Ezra. You want to ask something, Ezra?
Schmeck Tabak, I think, is snuff tobacco.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's, when you were in synagogue, you used snuff tobacco. You couldn't smoke. So
it's a Schmeck.
Schmeck Tabak.
Schmeck Tabak, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Het schmeckt me net anders.
Karen?
In the dictionary, English Yiddish dictionary, it says der Schmeck Tabake means pinch of snuff.
A pinch of snuff.
Yeah, that is the most correct translation.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
A pinch of tobacco.
Yes.
Schatzen schätzt das Städtel dem Gewirrsvermögen in 200,000 ruble. The village estimates the rich man's worth as 200,000 ruble. Nora Mea Elef hat Taka gehabt, but really he only had 100,000. Und für Konivka wollte genug gewesen Viertel von dem. And for Konivka, even if he had only a quarter of this, it would have been enough to spielen a gewirische Rolle, to play the role of a very rich man. So even 25,000 rubles would have been enough. Der Vater Governor Tucker in kleine Beis Midrash, die Shenster Balabatim, and therefore really the choice of the village, the finest householders pray in this little study house. Euch die städtische Klei Kodesh, also the community, the people who are important in the community synagogue, the Klei Kodesh, wie der Moshel, der Rav, for instance, the rabbi, der Shoichet, the ritual slaughterer, der Baal Taxa, the one who looks after taxes.
Collects the taxes.
Sorry?
Who collects the taxes.
Collects the taxes, thank you. Apor Prushim was dienen schon bald a Jahr 10 in der Kehila. A few, I'm not sure what Prushim are, who
Prushim, usually it's recluses, but I'm not sure that it's the right one. So yes, Rafael, maybe.
Yeah, two things about taxa. The taxa was a tax on kosher meat that was a way of supporting the community. And people often complained about the amount of tax on kosher meat. And I think prushim here refers to, as you say, recluses, people who mostly keep to themselves and study all the time, but don't otherwise involve themselves.
Who are serving already almost 10 years in the congregation. So the Prushim are people who've reclused. Yeah.
Okay. So before you continue, Michael, yes, Morty, and then Louisa.
Yes, Reful is correct. And I wanted to say that in some communities, maybe in many communities, there was also a tax on candles, on the sale of candles for Shabbos and for holidays, in addition to the kosher meat tax.
Okay, thank you. Good to know.
What country are we in here?
Sorry?
What country? Is this the United States?
No, I don't think so. No.
This is in Eastern Europe.
Yeah,
okay,
we don't know. It may be Russia, Poland,
Ukraine.
Yeah, one of those countries. So, but not in the United States.
Okay.
Yes, Louisa.
Yeah, I'm going to venture that Prushim here refers to the Pharisees, which were together with the Tzdukim, Prushim v'Tzdukim in Jewish history. They were the usual dichotomy between those who were more literally adherent to the Torah, like Karaim at other times, and then the Tzdukim were the opposite. So meaning the usual tendencies in Judaism to be more literal and stick to what is written, as opposed to those who have more liberal interpretations of what the Torah and the Mishnah, the Talmud, and all the culture is all about. The rituals are all about, or the culture is all about. So let's see if that works. Prushim was
we don't know because they're only mentioned here, and that's it. So we don't really know. Yeah.
Really,
yes.
Michael.
That's too technical a definition, although it's true. But in Prushim are the holy ones. They were always in the study hall. They were always in the study hall. They were the learned ones. So they were generally considered removed from the everyday politics of the shtetl.
Yeah. So what is dienen? Was dienen showing bald? What is dienen in this case?
Service. People who service.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Cookie.
My grandfather was called a learner. He did nothing but study Torah, and he knew 400 block Gemara Oisavainik, which was a feat in itself.
Wow.
But that's never worked a day in his life.
Where did they come? How did they live? Where was the money come from?
The women did the work.
Let's go back to the story. Okay. We will not deal with cookies, family.
Well, that's how we do it today. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. Anyway, Michael.
Okay, just a word about Prushim. I think in Yiddish novels, etc., the Porush is someone who withdraws from society, a recluse. I think that's probably the best definition here. Zwischen die Allerscheinheiten hat auch gedauert Grunem, der Dardike Melamed. Among the good Jews who prayed here was Grunem, the elementary teacher of Yiddish, of the he taught the little children. Welcher is da gewesen, etwas wie fünfter Rod zum Folgen, who was here like a fifth wheel to the wagon. Von Kindweis auf der Schlogener oder keinmal nicht gehabt dem Mutterein mischen sich in a Schmurs Shabbats noch in Governor. From childhood on, a depressed person, he never had the courage to engage himself in a talk Saturday after prayers, when the Rosh HaMetabrim is given der Gewir, when the main speaker was the rich man who was mentioned previously. Hat viele nicht gefragt, unbeugen dem Kopf auf der Seite und zulegen dem Euer etwas Herren. He didn't even dare to bend his head on the side and put his ear there to hear something. Von Weitem fleckt nur stehen und schlingen jedes Wort. He just stood from a distance and swallowed every word, was geht heraus von Gerismoel, that comes out of the rich man's mouth. As Spaß was Jacob Sinkers erzählt sich on a joke what undertale. It's no joke how many stories Jacob Sinkers can tell. Dort erzählt von Graf Tapsky. Here he tells about Graf Tapsky, mit welchen ist stark gekneppelt. Here he talks about Count Tapsky, with whom he is closely engaged, buttoned to him, und is by him kimat alle Woche, and is almost with him every week. Wie soll der dosiger Graf halt Choshev Aiden. And it's amazing how this Count has this opinion that this Jew is important, Choshev, important.
Thank you, Michael. Gekneppelt is closely linked. It's closely linked. So I know it's like buttons, but it's closely linked. Gekneppelt. Gekneppelt und gebinden. So immer so.
Do you mean clotheslining?
Sorry?
Tied.
Rochelle, what did you say?
Closely tied.
Closely tied, closely linked. Gekneppelt und gebinden, gesagt. Okay, Bonnie, yes?
That's what I was going to ask about, gekneppelt. And you said it's what, closely tied?
Closely tied, closely linked.
Thank you.
Any questions before we move on?
Is it?
Thank you, Michael.
Is it derived from button? The word
Yes.
button?
No, I
Yes.
think it's
I think-
derived from knep, from knot. Knot.
Uh-huh.
From knip. Oh, yeah, you're
And a
right.
kneppel, like the women used to have a kneppel where they hid some money in their apron.
A knickle.
Knipple, that's the name of my
That's a
bank
knipple.
account. My bank account is called Knipple.
A knickle. The money that a woman hides from her husband.
Yes, that's what it said. Because she tied it in her apron.
Yeah.
Or the
Okay.
knot.
Cookie, again, we cannot hear you.
We can't hear you, Cookie.
Or under
We
the
can't hear
carpet
you,
we
sorry.
found money.
Under the carpet. Okay. Anyway, let's go on. Refoil, please go on.
Nach der Meise geht rüber zum Kurs. After telling this story, he continues to talk about the course. We'll see what that means. Wenn der russische
No,
Rubel,
course is the exchange rate.
the exchange rate. Okay.
Exchange rate, that's a course.
Yeah. I'm just. Yeah. Value of money. Yeah. Right. Wenn der russische Rubel hebt sich und wenn fällt. When the Russian ruble is going up and when it's going down. Grunem kann es bestimmt nicht verstehen. Grunem, the school teacher, cannot understand this in any manner. Weiß, dacht sich, as a ruble is allemal a ruble. He knows, of course, that a dollar is a dollar. Will es fragen. He wants to ask. Nor hat kein Hosen nicht, but he just doesn't have the gall, the chutzpah. Weiter erzählt von seinem Nessier, kein Kennigburg, jene Woche. And then the rich man is telling about his journey to Königsberg every week, wohin hat proved a transport gehilts, where he had perhaps purchased a load of wood.
He didn't purchase, he dispatched it, he sent it away.
Dispatched, okay, pravda. Yeah, my Russian is quite weak.
Okay.
Königsberg has changed its name. It still exists, but it's not called Königsberg anymore. I can't remember what it's called.
Yeah, I don't remember what it's called either, so.
It's Kaliningrad.
Yeah, Königsberg, Kaliningrad, that's right.
Good.
Kaliningrad is its Russian name. Königsberg was its German name. Right. Wie soll hat zurück vorendig sich bekannt mit der polnischen Galach. And how, as he was traveling back, he had become acquainted with a Polish priest. Hat gehabt mit ihm a vikayach wegen Emuna, and how he had carried on with him a discussion or an argument about belief. Und hat dem Galach menatzeach gewen, and he outwitted this priest. Und nach seine tausender Meises, and similar thousands of stories, was nur a Gewir kann es wissen, which only a rich man can know. A Gewir was führt Geschäften mit die größte Sraris, a rich man who carries on business dealings with the greatest princes. Und kein Sach is für ihm nicht zu schwer, and nothing is too difficult for him.
Please, another paragraph.
Grunem wollte abgegeben a halb Leben. Grunem would have given an arm and a leg. Nur eus reden amol, rech ein Wort mit dem Gewehr. If he could only speak even one word with this rich man. Wollte sich mechaya gewen. He would really have enjoyed it. Proved es aber keinmal nicht, but he never tries such a thing. Das gewehrische Gestalt, die heiche Gewicks, der größer Bauch, los das nicht so. The way the rich man carries himself, his high stature, his enormous belly, all these things just don't allow him to approach. Das klare, volle Ponnen, his clear, full face, der strenger Guck, his strict glance, warf dann auf Grunem a Pochet, cast a fear on Grunem. Wundert sich, nur auf ein Scheuchetsgebore. Grunem is just amazed at the strength of the ritual slaughterer, the Sheuchet. Wie so jener steht einmal gar nauend neben Gewehr. How that fellow stands quite close to the rich man sometimes. Und warf da rein in Shmuas eucher Wort, and also casts a word into the conversation. Man darf taka haben, trach Grunem demalt, a scheuchetische Herz. You've got to have, Grunem thinks then, you've got to have the heart of a slaughterer, zapoilen das bei sich, to manage to do such a thing. Ich kenn das nicht, but I couldn't do it.
Okay, thank you, Rafael. Any questions until now? About what's going on? Okay, so Morty, go
on. In Grun's, welcher David in Grunem's, welcher David schon bald 15 Jahre in kleinen Besmetrisch, and Grunem, who already prays 15 years in the small study house, hat noch kein Mal mit dem Gewehr, kein Wort nicht ausgeredet. Hasn't spoken one single word ever with the rich man, Noch kein Mal des hier nicht gehad und hat es a viele in Sinnen nicht. He didn't have the pleasure or to have done it, and didn't even have it in mind to do it. Then, when, wie soll, how, seiden soll werden alleine gewesen, unless, of course, he could become himself a rich man, no von wus kann reich werden. But from where is he going to become a rich man? Von die dredig jünglich, from teaching young children? Doch die letzte Zeit hat Grunem ungeheuben zu trachten. Only in the latest times has Grunem started thinking, wenn reden etwas mit dem Gewehr, wegen reden etwas mit dem Gewehr, about talking something with a rich man. Und nicht nur reden, nur take stark aschmustin, not just speaking, but really talking, having a conversation with him. Sorry?
Go on.
Yeah, beim Rayon wegen Schmus, in relation to the conversation about
Rayon is the idea.
Regarding the idea about the conversation, kommt ihm das Blut gleich herein in Punem. His face gets completely red from blood. The heart klopft by a gasoline. His heart hits like a thief who's geht hargen in a mensch that is going to murder a person. A Spaß. Darf führen mit dem Gewehr als a wichtigen Schmus. A joke. He has to...
No, here it's not a joke. Usually a Spaß is a joke, but here it's no small matter. No small matter.
He has to carry out a serious conversation with the Gvir, with a rich man. Will beten dem Gvir's Einikel. He wants to ask that the rich man's grandson was heute dem Zimmer zu lernen, that he is going to start learning this summer, so sich in Cheder rein, to have him study with him in his cheder, in his study house for children. Beten a Yingel in cheder is by Grunen a fili nicht kanais. Requesting a grandson to be brought to his cheder is not for Grunen anything so unusual. Alisman, every period, better azoi ein 20 Talmidim. He asks about 20 students and hat schon der Reuf an ausgebreiten Nusach and has already a wide tradition, Nusach.
A version.
Yeah.
He has a version of how to do it.
Yeah, a version of how to do it. Nor wos gleicht men, but what do they think? Mit pushete balebatem macht nicht aus. With ordinary householders, it doesn't really matter. Wie soll meret, how they speak. Aber mit azag wir darf man doch wissen, was zu reden. But with a rich man, you have to know what you are going to say. Ein übrig Wort, Cholile, one single bad word, God forbid, can hagen in Ganzen, can kill the whole matter.
Okay, thank you, Morty. Yeah. I have a question, but first, Barbara. Yes.
Okay, so on page 21 and towards the bottom, I already read Zethus and translated it as pleasure, and I suspect may mean merit. Gurnam didn't have the merit to approach this man, and gives more of an indication of how small he felt in the eyes of this person. That's my opinion, but I wanted to know what you guys thought.
The translation is privilege in the translation.
Privilege.
Okay.
Yeah. I think the only thing that I can say is yes, but it's not how he looks like to the Gvir. He himself, how he feels himself so small in front of the Gvir.
Yeah. Okay.
Not how the Gvir looks at him, but how he himself feels.
The Gvir doesn't know that he exists. So
no.
Anyway, what is Nusach? What is a Zman here? Al Zman. It's not just time.
It's a semester.
It's a
period.
A period of teaching for the children.
Yeah.
Or term. It could be also say the term.
The term. Yeah, I just wanted to make you know too. Okay. David, please. David.
Ja. Und von Purim on, bis Pesach, kommt vor bei Grunemen in Harzen a Geräuser Milchoma. And from Purim on until Pesach, is taking place, at Grudem's house, home, by Grudem, in his heart, a big war, conflict. Wir will reinnehmen a großen General in Plen und weiß nicht auf was für ein Häufen und hat Stammmäure. He wants to include a big general in the Plen, because the plans, I suppose, I don't know.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt, but it's an idiom. Nemen in plen means to take prisoner.
In plen, Adank, go ahead, taken prisoner, and doesn't know on in what manner, and he doesn't know how to do this in what manner, and just is afraid. Stam Moira. Nor ot is showing Pesach. Now, but it's just now Pesach. Oib irvet die Tag nicht zu gehen, is showing verfallen. And if he would to gain. If he would not the days, if he doesn't, I guess if he doesn't have the time, I guess it's going to fail. He has the tag nicht to gain. Can't find the time to do this. Verspielt das Glück auf ewig. He would lose out his good fortune, I guess, for eternity, forever. The opportunity will pass. Eine Kleinigkeit, was für ein Glück du wollt gewinnen, and what not a trivial fortune, good fortune this would have been. Dem Gewehrs Enico learnt by him. The wealthy man's grandson is learning, studying with him. Erstens das Geld. First comes the money. Ihr wollt vada gezahlt 15 Kerblock. He would indeed pay 15 rubles. Koib nicht die ganze 20, if not the entire 20. Heint das Zollen schmust man doch nicht. Today, one's not talking about payment today, as you know. Farois seg rubel dika. 10 ruble dika. You're not talking about payment today. Maybe in advance, a 10 ruble note or something. Heint der COVID alleen, people is vert their COVID. Today we have today we're just getting the honor. And how much is this honor worth? So it's getting just the honor for a full payment, I guess.
Okay, thank you, David. Thank you. Karen, go on. Thank you. Karen, go on.
I just want to mention in the previous paragraph, the first line, die Tag, ob wird die Tag nicht zugehen. Die Tag means one of these days. So it would be, if he doesn't do something one of these days, all will be lost. Die Tag's another idiom, one of those idioms.
Thank you, Karen. Before you continue, yes, Bonnie. Bonnie? Okay. Go on, Karen. Hier, und Grunem.
Und Gronemen vertragt der Koech I'm sorry, I don't know how.
Adimian. Der Koech Adimian weit.
Adimian weit. And Gronem carried the power, carries away with the power of his imagination.
Yeah, imagination is soaring, imagination is going all over, yeah.
Wo lernt Reb Yaakov's Enikel, Reb Gronem? Who is teaching Yaakov's grandson, Reb Gronem?
So he's imagining what other people are going to say in such a case.
Can I just mention?
Yes. Oh. Yes, Michael.
Okay, that sentence, the subject is actually der Koach Adimian vertragt Grunemen weit. So the subject is his imagination carries him far.
Carries him, yeah. And he's imagining what people are going to say, yeah. So go on, Karen.
Was heißt wo? What do you mean? What do you mean where or who? Ihr weißt gar nicht. You don't know. Shena Maisa, and I guess that's translated to a
nice story.
Okay, a nice story. Lernt bei mir Tage. I'm teaching. He's learning with me, by me really. Was denn hat ihr gemeint? What do you think? Wird ihm zu anderen Malamed weggeben, that he would be entrusted to another teacher? Mehr wollt ihm nicht fällen. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I think he will not.
Would not please him.
Yeah. It's translated as that's all he would need.
Oh, that's
if that's
yeah.
Really?
Failing isn't lacking. Yeah.
There
Yeah,
would be no lack.
Yeah, the verb is to lack. He doesn't need. Yes, I'm sorry.
Would lack
No,
nothing
that's
more.
okay. We are
Yes.
thinking together.
Yes, he would lack nothing more.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think it might be sarcastic. He would need that like a hole in the head to be entrusted to another teacher. That's all he would need. A glücklicher Schmeichel gescheint sein. Gescheint sein.
Bescheint. It's
Oh,
better.
bescheint sein finsteren Punem. A happy smile illuminated his dark face. Nor geht a Cook affen Gewirr und von ganzen Dämien werd asch. He took a look at the rich man, and his complete imagination turned to ash. Das Blut wird in ihm verkillt, verschreck. The his blood became cold from fear. Wie soll geht man zu? Maybe, what are you thinking?
No, how do you approach him? How do you approach him? Zugehen.
Oh, how are you going to approach him? Yes, thank you.
Right.
Wo nimmt man a seiner gesunde Fies? Where are you going to get strong enough legs? Sie sollen kennen Einstein Beschas Meisa, that they're going to be able to support you in the meantime, at the same time. Wo nimmt man asa hart, was soll azoi nit klappen? Where are you going? Where are you going to get such a heart that doesn't pound so?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Karen. Any question on what's going on here? Okay, no, so let's continue. Josefa, can you continue?
Und
I'm going to pass on this. There's too many idioms in here that I don't
It's
know.
a lot of idioms, yeah. Okay, no problem at all. Yeah. Joseph, you wanted to say something?
No.
No? Okay, so Luisa, please. We will do it together. Luisa. Luisa, you're there? No? She's not there? Well, maybe she's not
No,
there.
she's gone. Sorry.
Done?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't see
Okay.
her.
Rochelle,
Okay.
please.
Just help me with the Hebrew.
We will help you.
Und ot is a zoi shoin the andere Tag Pesach. And so we have the days of Passover already. Heint muss zugehen meg a fille wissen, als wird davon sicher sterben. Today he must approach, even though he may die. Als wird davon sicher sterben. I read that. Macht und Ordnung mit seinen Gedanken und gerät sich zu. He puts his thoughts in order and readies himself, wie soll zu reden, nochen Raven, nochen davenen. He's trying to put his thoughts in order so that he can speak after the prayers.
So before you continue, people raise their hands. So Morty and then Ezra. Morty?
Yes, I just wanted to say that the andere take Pesach really refers to Chol HaMoed Pesach.
Yeah, it's like the ordinary days and the in the
And
Christian
the holidays.
tradition, you have ordinary days and holy days. Okay. Good Yom Tov, Rav Yaakov.
But just a moment. Ezra also raised his hand. Sorry, I had to take the phone. Sorry, Ezra?
Yeah. So the idea here is that the first days of Pesach have passed, and he hasn't been able to approach him. And now it's the other days of Pesach. The holiday is ending, and I guess the new school term is about to start. He reached his deadline. He's got to open his mouth.
Yes, you're right. Karen?
Well, I have one more definition from the dictionary. Die andere Tag Pesach means the last 2 days of Pesach.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Rochelle, go on.
No, it's not.
No,
It's
not
Chol
Chol
HaMoed. It's not Chol HaMoed. Chol HaMoed is the middle between the first two and the last two.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. The last two are holy days.
The last two are holy days. You go back to shul the last 2 days. Yes.
Okay.
Say, you say Isker.
Good Yom Tov, Reb Yaakov. Macht a repetitie.
Repetitie. Repetitie.
Oh, a repetitie. Oh, good, happy holiday, Good Yom Tov, Reb Yaakov, he says, and he's repeating it to himself.
He's making, he's trying it before approaching. He's trying it. Yeah.
He's rehearsing.
He's rehearsing it.
Doch beklecht.
No.
Doch
No.
beklärt So that's what he's thinking about.
No. Beklären sich, it means that he is thinking it over and he decides that no. He wants to do something else.
Is too prost. He is too ordinary.
No, the S is too prost. So, Good Yom Tov, it's too ordinary.
But S is too prost. It is too. Okay, so what he's saying is he decides that it's too ordinary.
Translation is prosaic.
Prosaic.
No.
Yeah,
okay. Great cognate.
Ordinary works as well, right?
Yeah. Good Yom Tov, Reb Yaakov, und sagt men doch allemen. This is Good Yom Tov is something you say to anyone, to everyone. Heint, was is der Heilig? Today, what is the Heilig?
So that's what you are saying. That's what you are saying to everyone. So what is the difference?
Oh,
so what is the difference?
Okay. That's what everyone says.
Yeah, because he's the Gvir. He's the Gvir, so you have to talk to him differently.
Okay, ich will besser sagen a guter Yontiv, Reb Yaakov. I would better say a guter Yontiv. I don't get the difference here. Es gefällt ihm weiter nicht, but it still doesn't appeal to him to say that. Gedenkt Shamis.
Simchis.
Oh,
Simchis
Simchis Teure hat sich Leibe der Schuster eingeschgurt.
Eingeschickert.
Eingeschickert. Pflegen what? Pflegt so schreien, wenn pflegt noch begegnen.
So let's go back.
Yeah, so he remembers that at Simchas Torah, the shoemaker was drunk, and that was how he greeted everyone.
Exactly.
By Yom. By ihm, that hey really confuses me. By ihm bleibt, als wird Tage sagen, gut Yom Tiv, noch weich und still. And it remains by him that he will actually say Gut Yontif, but he will say it very softly and quietly, as opposed to the screaming that the Shikr did. Gut Yontif deklamiert so he declares or recites Gut Yontif.
He recites.
Yeah. Ja, azoi wird sein gut. Yes, that's the way it will be good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rachel. Barbara, will you read to the end of the page?
Well, I could try, but it's very tough, I have to say.
Yeah, we know, but we are doing it together.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to try a couple lines, and then if it's too tough, I'm going to pass, okay? Greet sich weiter zu, and he prepares himself, further. Ich habe gehört,
Sorgendick.
Sorgendick. Ich habe gehört, Sorgendick, als Einikel soll sein auf lange Jahr, das wird dem Gewehr sicher befallen werden. So I have heard it said that your grandson will be
this is confusing. They translate as may he.
Yeah, because that's how you say it. May he live long
okay.
years.
Oh, thank you. Oh, he may he live long years. That should truly please.
Yes.
Be very pleasing to the rich man. Heute on in Mazel Dicker show, Heintigen Zumer zu lernen. And he should begin with great good fortune this summer to learn. Ich bin Gronim der Malaman. So I am Grum, the teacher. Bei mir lernen des schönste balabatische Kinder. And I'm the teacher of the finest, dignified people's children. Ich bet euch, and I request of you, Reb Yaakov, Efsher Murvtike.
Moreno ורבנו.
Okay, so that means.
So Moreno, it's a bit more with kuved. Moreno.
Okay, thank you. Okay, with more dignity. So he's questioning what he's saying. Yeah.
Yeah, he's thinking how to approach, what to say. Yeah. So you say Reb Yaakov, but maybe Moreno Reb Yaakov, which is.
I see.
Honorable.
Yeah. Okay. Fleet in der in Kop, which flies through his head. Niet meer eier.
Git, it's a gimel, git mir.
Oh, git meer eier, enekel, zu lieb. I'm having a hard time seeing these words.
Yes, zu lieb schreines.
Schreines. So give me your, why don't you give me your grandson because of...
Because they are
Schreines.
neighbors. Because
Yeah,
neighborhood,
neighbors.
because of neighbors.
Okay. And men davenen zusammen, and we do worship or daven together.
Yeah, we are praying together. So
yeah, thank you.
Anyway, you see, when we do
Wait.
it like this, by sentence, it's okay. So we will
I
stop
appreciate
here.
your patience. Thank you and help.
We'll stop here and we will continue next time and see what happens when he has the chutzpah finally to go and ask him. So, any questions about it? Any comments about the story? Yes, Maurice.
Okay. Ich habe gehad auf mein Screensharing a schwarzen Box, was es gewinnt über ein paar auf die Wörter. Aber keinen, ich bin der Einigste, was es hat den Box. Ich habe nicht gekannt sehen, ein paar auf die Wörter. Das ist der erste Mal.
Okay. So next time, if you have it, tell us and we will see what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, you have the story. Maybe you can see those some of the words that were there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
I also have a little technical problem. Maybe somebody can help me. I haven't been able to turn on to show on my screen the icons for the microphone and for the video, just to turn off the microphone or the video. Does anybody
At the
know
bottom
how
of the
to
screen.
get back in?
At the bottom of the screen.
Zoom just updated again last week, so of course we have to figure things out all over again. I haven't heard of this problem yet before, but I will try to ask around and see if anybody else has figured out what to do.
Okay.
Thank you,
and
Mariv.
if you figured it out, you can write to Morty or write to me and I will forward it to Morty, okay?
People can figure out my black
Thank
box.
you.
Okay, maybe it explains who knows, every time they change something, it's not always for the best.
Things are in new places and we have to find them again.
Yes, Cookie, yeah.
Why do I need a new hearing something or what? I mean,
no, now it's okay. Right now it's okay. But before it wasn't okay.
Yeah, it's intermittent, Cookie. Sometimes it happens and sometimes you're fine. So it's probably your internet connection. It's not Zoom.
Oh, should I have somebody look into it to fix it or anything, or just?
Yeah, but it might be expensive. It means your whole building would have to be rewired, probably.
Tired. Is he tired now? I need him. What's a Mitzi is a bargain, right?
So probably the connection, because now it's again. So Barbara and Maurice again. Barbara.
Okay, just very quickly, Morty, what persuaded you to send the story to Mina? What appeals to you very much about this story?
I think, yes, I think that it happens to many people, and it's happened certainly to me, that sometimes there is something that you want to do and you're afraid or you have doubts about being successful at obtaining it, and it's like a I found this story a little bit like a psychological thriller, if you want. A play in the mind, in one's own mind, how a person can be his own enemy in trying to do something.
I'm that way. I'm that way. Very insecure. Very insecure. Always
And
afraid.
I thought it would be interesting to bring it up, and well, Mina found it interesting also. So
I think it's very interesting because he's so not confident in himself, and and so afraid of opening his mouth or doing something that it gets him
Stepping outside of yourself.
Exactly.
But
Yeah,
don't
but
you think that's, I was gonna say, but don't you think that's also sort of a condition of the shtetl where you're very, in awe, a little bit afraid of the rich, the rich man. He's he's crossing class lines. I don't think we have a concept of it because we're, that's not how we, our society is, but the rich man was, very revered, I don't know,
yeah,
revered
and the
or
Melamed was very low on the totem pole in terms
right,
of class.
right,
He was not revered.
right.
He was not a learned man usually.
But
And
it
not very
goes,
well liked very often.
it goes deep into psychological processes because we all have those times when we rehearse what we're going to say and we're nervous about some situation that we have to face.
And he's
Yes.
intimidated.
I find that children, I have two children. One is very secure. She will blast her way through anything. She's not afraid of anything. And my son is more timid, more insecure. They've both been a success. But she barreled her way. She won't take no. My sister's like that, will not take no. No means she's going to do it now. You said no, she'll do it. And
That's you,
she's,
Cookie.
yeah.
Okay, thank you, Cookie. Maurice, yes, Maurice.
Wir haben gelernt, dass der Rasung von den Drifters upon the roof ist gewesen 67. Das ist nicht richtig. Es ist gewesen auf 61.
Sorry, I didn't get it. I'm sorry, I really didn't get it. Explain it, Maurice. I didn't get it.
Ja, wir haben gelernt, dass der Rasung von den Drifters upon the roof ist gewesen 67. Und das ist nicht richtig. Es ist gewesen auf 61.
61, okay. Okay. I think I got
1964.
64?
1964.
64.
No, it was
the year
earlier.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can battle it out on Google.
Yeah.
Who can
We'll
find
take
it?
an average.
Okay.
1964.
Joseph, do I have your email to send you readings?
I think so.
I think that I answered you, that you sent me a question and I answered you, yes?
How did he find
Yes. So you have that email correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will send it to you, Beverly and Barbara.
How
I
did
will
you
send
fi-
it to the other people that are sending material, okay?
How did
Thank
you
you.
find out about us?
From Eric.
Oh, great.
Oh, Eric. Okay, wonderful. One person brings another person.
And Viva is too.
Where do you
Where
live?
do you live? Where do you
in,
live?
in New Jersey.
Oh, okay.
Maplewood, New Jersey.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
No.
So I think
We have
New Jersey is
people
little by little encroaching on us. Yeah. Anyway, any more question or questions or anything to say about the story?
It's a beautiful story.
Okay, so we will continue to read it next week. I will send you another story just in case we finish it, but just let's finish it. And you see, when we read it together, it's not so difficult after all.
Right.
Because everyone is contributing something, everyone knows something else, and we can do it together. So,
And that's how you learn new idioms. Is if everybody helps figure out the idioms, then you learn new ones.
Yeah, next week send the story without the black box.
Without the black box.
We have a one-room schoolhouse.
Okay, so sei mir alle gesehen, und mit sich sehen noch eine Woche.
Gute Woche.
Gute Woche alle.